Today I'm going to show you how to create this scrolling animation in Premiere Pro. Select your type tool and start writing out your sequence of numbers, making sure to hit enter so it skips to the next line after each one. Now go to Effect Controls and under Opacity, select the rectangle mask, then adjust the mask so it only covers your first number. Click the keyframe button next to Position under Vector Motion, then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Now increase the vertical position until you cycle through all of your numbers so only the last one is visible. Highlight both keyframes and right click, select Temporal Interpolation Ease In, then do it again but select Ease Out this time. Expand position and click and drag both dots slightly closer to the middle so it looks like this. Now go over to Effects and search for Directional Blur, then add the effect to your text layer. Move your timeline slider to just before the position curve like this, then go over to Effect Controls. Click the keyframe button next to Blur Length, then move your timeline slider to the peak and modify it to 75. Now simply move your timeline slider to just after the peak and reset the blur length keyframe to 0.